Learning English as a second language is crucial in today's globalized world. It opens up numerous opportunities for personal and professional growth. Firstly, English is the most widely spoken language in the world. Knowing English allows you to communicate with people from different countries and cultures. Secondly, English is the primary language of the Internet. A significant portion of online content is in English, making it essential for accessing information and resources. Thirdly, many multinational companies use English as their working language. Proficiency in English can enhance your career prospects and increase your chances of getting a job in such companies. Fourthly, English is the language of science, technology, and academia. Many research papers, technical manuals, and academic journals are published in English. Lastly, learning English can boost your cognitive skills. It improves memory, problem-solving abilities, and critical thinking. It also enhances your understanding of your native language.